This is room 402 at the Salem Doubletree. And first, when we came in the room, they have this little guard on here to show you that it's been clean. And when you walk in, it's a big room. It's a king room. First thing is the closet. There is like a curtain, but there's an ironing board. There's also a safe. Then these are my favorite type of hotel rooms because it has the vanity outside of the toilet. So when you're with someone else, two people can get ready at once. It's great. But the new modern lighting that Hilton has, and we've got different products than we've had at the other Hiltons. So that's interesting. And then face soap. On this side, there is a makeup wipe remover too. Extra towels down there. Hair dryer. Coming around to the bathroom, full-length mirror, and toilet, and bathtub with a nice shower head. This room is pet-friendly, as you can see by Frankie. He's kind of exploring. Microwave and refrigerator. The refrigerator is empty, so you can put all of your stuff in it. Ice bucket, and then a coffee maker. There's a sitting area, and this is actually a sofa bed, and then two kind of like benches or end table, whatever you want it to be. Then there's another table over here. Some lights, mirror, and the thermostat. And then we've got this half wall. So the bedroom has the TV, which you can also see from the living area, a desk, nice big king bed, and then both sides of the wall have a lamp. One has an alarm clock, one has a phone. There's outlets on this side, actual like wall plugs, and then on this side there's an outlet as well. There's also a light, so you can have a little overhead light. The bed, I don't believe Doubletrees have top sheets. No top sheet, just kind of the all-in-one comforter sheet. And then our view in Salem here is just the freeway. We are looking out the front of the hotel, so that's where the check-in area is, and you can see that's just the freeway right there. But the room's very clean. I'm excited about that. And the hotel, we're in the middle of COVID, but I feel like that they're taking a lot of precautions to make sure that everyone is safe and it's very clean. The remote control is a clean stay remote. This hotel also has a window that opens so you can get fresh air. This is the lobby and welcome area. And then there's a business center there and the front desk. So at the Doubletree, they usually have an executive like lounge that's closed, and they don't have the happy hour, and actually the whole kitchen and bar area and breakfast area is closed. So the hotel does have a pool and hot tub, but it's been closed due to COVID, and you can just see it through the window. There is a small gym that is available, and it's open, but I've already checked out and I don't have my key to get in. But there is a couple of pre-core machines and then free weights and other equipment that you can use, but it is a pretty small gym. I'd only want to go in here like one person at a time. This is the ice machine on the first floor. It is the only ice machine that's currently working, so they only have to clean one. While this hotel does not offer breakfast, they do have a grab and go option that you can get downstairs and coffee to go as well. There's stickers on the mirror that show you how the room was cleaned and disinfected, and it's all done with Lysol. The Hilton does require masks, face shields, or face coverings inside the building. And lastly, obviously, you wear masks everywhere you go when you're in the hotel.